Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 92 of Building the Ecto-1. In this issue, we're continuing with our door, basically what we're going to be doing for a little while now. We've got our first window that fits in there like so and will swivel. That is held in place by the entire frame piece, which fits in something like that. Yep, there we go, down in there like that. You've got the nice red detailing there. That is held in place with several screws, OP in 3 corners and an OP in the other corner and a DM in the middle. Right, that's why we've got different types of screws. We've got OPs, I need 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 4, 3. There's 3. Oh, it is 4. I got 4 out and didn't mean it. I wonder why there was an extra spare one. It wasn't. No, 4 of those and 1. The DMs. Why is there extra DMs then? Maybe. Let's just double check. It goes through there, that goes through there. No, DMs are not used in the other bit either, so I don't know why they give us spares of those, but let's try this then. So the single DM goes in that bit there. And that will start holding it together process. Oh no, there is another DM. That's right. I thought there would be through the other bit, through the metal piece there. Not like them to give you extra screws or anything, so make sure you're using all the ones they give you. So that one through there. Great. And then the others all up around the outside. One up there in that corner. One up there in that corner. There, I forgot. No, there's a bit I didn't put on. Damn it. I've got to put that in place. Right, let me get that apart. Put that back where that should be in there first. And then get all these screws in, and then we'll see about the extra stuff. Right, there we go. That's that installed in there. All the screws in place. I was using the wrong screw hole, so just as well I had to take it apart again. Actually going right in the corners, not just next to the corners. So up to then, we need the decorative pieces that I would say cover the screw holes. They do, but they cover the other end of the screw holes, so I'm not entirely certain what that's all about. But there we go. Let's get the backing off of this. Come on. There you go. Long one goes in there. This one does have some holes in it. Remember that on the other side, but I suppose this is the passenger side, so it might be a bit different. This is the bit for the back. Again, get rid of the packing, get rid of that, and that will then match up in the corner like that and go down across there. I do like the detail styling on these windows. Then we've got this bit that uses those 2 holes there. They just pop in. A little unvisory thing. I don't remember there being one on the other side. There may be. I may just not remember it. It should pop in there. The holes are not quite lined up, but they're as close as you're going to get. There you go. And that is that. That one's not quite lined up there. I'll worry about that in a minute. But there we go. Another door almost completed. 2 more issues this month, and it's involving putting the window on and putting the inside on. So let's clear this out of the way. We'll have a look at one of those very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now. Nearly forgot. Before we go, we'll have a look through the magazine because I'd forgotten about that bit. So this is volume 25 of the Build the Ghostbusters Ecto-1. Let's have a look through here and see what we've got. We've done half the building, so we know what to expect there. Then the next half is what we've still got to do. So yeah, we've done that bit, although it says to wing mirror thing, but or there isn't, but there we go. That's that. We've done the interior, the exterior window frame, and the bit, the sun visory thing. Next up, we're going to be doing the interior part, fitting the brackets and the spring door catch. Good stuff. And then the final one is the window mechanism, and indeed the window, getting all that fitted in there and getting the door basically completed. So won't be attaching it that time, but we'll be keeping it done. Looking at the Titanic, I don't think it's the actual Titanic. Was it featured in It Sailed? Yeah, there was a clip. Remember that bit? Yep. Subway Ghost, yeah, I remember him as well. Wilhelm. Don't know. Oh, he's the yeah, from Ghostbusters 2. And a slime blower. Yeah, that's what they used to bring things alive in Ghostbusters 2, wasn't it? Yeah. Ecto 101, looking at the Ghostbusters breakfast cereal. I don't remember there being a breakfast cereal, but marketing being what it is, of course there is. Yeah, so this is the, it's the back door on that side, so next time, getting it done. So yeah, that was it. For real now. I shall see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.